Welcome to my channel. Let's do some cooking. Let me show you how to prepare the Puerto Rican roasted pork or lechon asado, rub or adobo. For this recipe, we're gonna need 1 cup of vegetable oil, 4 cups of fresh oregano leaves, half a cup of kosher salt, 1 cup of ground black pepper, and half a cup of annatto seeds. But most important, a lot of fun. First, prepare the annatto oil. In a big cup or bowl, add the annatto oil. If you don't know how to prepare the annatto oil, check my other video on how to prepare it. Add some of the oregano leaf and some of the black pepper. Start blending with an immersion blender or in a regular blender. I love using my immersion blender. Now add some of the salt and more of the oregano. Start blending until smooth. Add the rest of the pepper and the rest of the salt. Add more of the oregano and keep on blending. I'm making a paste out of all the ingredients. Need to keep on blending to mix this paste together. Always be careful when using an immersion blender. Add the rest of the oregano and keep on blending this paste. This adobo recipe is for a lechon asado. Lechon asado is considered the most popular holiday food. It is essentially a suckling pig roasted over charcoal. It is a traditional Puerto Rican dish that takes many hours to cook. I'm gonna prepare the adobo with a couple of days ahead and place it on the refrigerator. This will help infuse all those flavors together before I rub the pork the day before roasting it. While lechon asado isn't exclusive to Puerto Rico, the people there really love it. If you are for exploring Puerto Rico, you can visit the hilly town of Guabate. In this town, there is a lechon route, a must to visit in Puerto Rico. This adobo or rub is also great to use it for roasting a turkey or chicken. Thanks for watching and buen provecho.